back when I was little, I don't think little kids are going to enjoy this too much. They won't be scared by it by any means. I mean, the Were Rabbit's actually really funny. Actually, it's one of the clever elements of the film. I really laughed at that. The voice acting is all terrific too. Every voice actor did fantastic. I'm not going to explain them all though, because that would just take forever. There's a lot of voice actors in this movie. But I'm just going to start by saying they're all fantastic. The guy who plays Wallace is great. The guy who plays Gromit is great. They're all great. Well, the guy who plays Gromit doesn't even talk. What am I saying? Anyways, Wallace and Gromit: The Curse of the Were-Rabbit. I love this movie. It's a great film. I'm giving it a 4.5 out of 5. Mainly because I don't know if it would be a film that a lot of little kids would like. I know it's going for more of the adult route, but when I was little, I didn't really care for it too much. It took me a little while to like finally get into the film. Like every time I watch it, I enjoy it more and more, and I think it's one of those films that's just going to be like that because it's really going for more of the like really adult route. I mean, some of the humor in here, there's a few dark moments in here too that I thought really added some depth. There's a good amount of heart in here, and it's a really great DreamWorks movie. I think it's one of the best, honestly. And it was really different for DreamWorks to do. It's a really different project for them. It was a little bit more risky. But I thought it was one of the better DreamWorks movies. Not the best. My favorite is probably Shrek, the first one. But still, this is still up there as being one of my favorites. So thank you for 22 Tiger Dude. I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. So yeah, thank you for letting me be part of your review for Wallace and Gromit: Curse of the Were-Rabbit.
Thank you so much, Adam, for reviewing Wallace and Gromit: The Curse of the Were-Rabbit. Wallace and Gromit are just such magnificent characters, and I was really